If you're posting on Instagram every day and still stuck at 100 or 1,000 followers, stop. Because in 2026, Instagram growth has completely changed. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how people are blowing up their Instagram pages from 0 to tens of thousands of followers, without ads, without bots, and without being famous. Make sure you watch till the end, because step number 7 is what most creators are completely ignoring. In 2026, Instagram is no longer a photo app. Instagram is an AI-powered recommendation engine. The platform cares about only 4 things: watch time, replays, saves, shares, likes, and comments still matter, but they are secondary. If your content is watched till the end, replayed, saved, sent to friends, Instagram will push it to non-followers. So your goal is simple. Create content people can't scroll past. Not all niches are equal in 2026. The fastest-growing niches right now are AI and tech, money and side hustles, motivation and self-improvement, fitness and health, luxury and lifestyle, education in short-form format. But here's the secret. You don't just pick a niche, you pick a problem inside the niche. Bad niche, fitness. Good niche, fat loss for busy people. Bad niche, motivation. Good niche, discipline for broke entrepreneurs. The more specific your niche, the faster you grow. Every viral Instagram post in 2026 follows this structure. 1. The hook. First, 1.5 seconds. You must stop the scroll immediately. Examples. Nobody is telling you this about Instagram growth. If you're posting reels like this, you're killing your page. I wish I knew this before I wasted 2 years on Instagram. 2. The value. Clear and fast. No long stories. No unnecessary talking. 1 idea per video. 3. The loop. Force replays. End your video in a way that makes people re-watch. And the last step is the reason this works. This increases watch time, and Instagram loves that. Consistency beats talent. In 2026, the sweet spot is 1 to 2 reels per day, 3 to 5 stories daily, 2 carousel posts per week. If you can only do one thing, post reels. 1 viral reel can change your entire page overnight. Yes, Instagram is now a search engine. To rank your content, say your keyword in the video, write it in the caption, put it in the on-screen text. Example, if your topic is Instagram growth tips, say it out loud, write it, show it. This helps Instagram's AI understand who to show your content to. Hashtags in 2026 are not dead, they're just different. Use 3 to 5 niche-specific hashtags. No generic tags like YIRA or YIRA viral captions should. Start with a hook. Be short and skimmable. End with a call to action. Example, save this if you want your page to grow in 2026. This is where most people fail. After you post, spend 20 to 30 minutes engaging. Reply to every comment. Comment on similar niche pages. Respond to DMs. Instagram rewards active creators. Engagement tells the algorithm, this creator is serious. If you're stuck, use these formats. 3 mistakes killing your Instagram growth. I grew my page by doing this for 30 days. Don't post reels until you know this. Steal my content strategy. Before versus after results. Screen recordings with voiceovers. These formats already work. Don't reinvent the wheel. Most people quit after 30 days, but Instagram growth works in delayed explosions. You might post for 60 days with no results. Then 1 reel changes everything. The creators who blow up are not smarter. They're just more consistent. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button so more creators can see it. Subscribe for more Instagram, AI, and online growth strategies. And comment GROW if you want a full content plan for your niche. Remember, your next post could be the one that changes everything.